You might be looking all over for in your project window for information. It's such a big area. Sometimes it's difficult. You've got to scroll up and down, and it's a possibility that you might be doing this, looking everywhere. In this video, you're going to find out how to work with your assets to find them quickly and easily. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your editing and make the editing material more easy to find. So suppose you've got music tracks, background audio, stuff like that, videos, photos, you can find it all here easily. So this area can become cluttered. You get a scroll bar there, so you might have lost stuff. So here you can organise it. So if you do a right click and you go to new folder, do a right click, you can rename it. So if I change that to music, so watch this, because in the next bit you're going to see you might have problems replicating what I've just done. So if I drag that into music, you can see it in that folder. So if I go to all, I can flick backwards and forwards. So this is a bit where you might have difficulty replicating what I've just done. So if I go to menu, back to home page, I create a new project. Now if I go to do a right click on there, you can see nothing's happening. If I import an asset, like, let's see, an end screen, then do a right click, new folder, rename, outro end screen, outro end screen. Say, drag it in. So if you see, I just tapped on there and it's added it to there. If I move myself, you can see if I play this, it's got the outro that you're going to see on the end of the screen. So you haven't actually got to go into the folder. If you found value in this video, do you want to watch more videos?